working on doing something similar to Dogs Telegram. We'll not be working on tapping. This is our formal. Let me increase this. Yep. These are our formal files, our HTML, CSS, JavaScript on our tap. Let me just open live. Let's just go live. Yep. Open live. It's live server. Yep. And as you can see, yeah, this is just it. So refill and all of our stuff. So we'll not be working with this because we'll not be working on the browser. We'll be using the Telegram workspace. So we'll be needing Gronk. So this is it. We are using this 550 HTTP. So you have to download it and set it up. If you guys don't know how to do it, I will drop like a link to some tutorials on it, or you guys can just tell me if you guys don't know how to do this. Let me just close this. Control B or Command B. Yep. And if we open this now, let me copy it first and then open it. If we open this, you will see it's going to show the same thing. Yep, it's showing it the same. So let's add this to our bots. Let me look for our bots. What's further? Okay. So yeah, you are going to. I already have my boots here, So I will just go to bot setting, menu, configure menu button, send the URL. The URL that will copy it. Title will do something like Sapa. This is still the same. Back to boot. Then click here. Yes. And we hope it works the same. Okay. Nice. I think it's working. So let's just remove this and then increase this one too. I want to increase this. Okay. So right now, yep, this one is working. So right now, I think in our index we are using here our window event. So I can do something like this: copy and then comment it out. New for dogs, replicates. Okay, they will comment it out. Right now we'll be using this user, will be logging it out, and for logging it out, console.log doesn't work here, so you have to use alert. So let's, it's not this. Let me cancel our browser, refresh, object. So we use, let's change it to a string. This thing dot stringify, and okay. So this is it. You can see my ID, my first name, my last name, my username. Language code is premium, allows rights to PM. True. Photo. So you can also get both the DP. So see the one that we are going to be logging out. The is premium, and also our photo URL dot photo URL. Instead of doing it like this, I think let me just, this guy should be doing it like this. Instead of different alerts. Yep. Increase again. And let me open our app again. True. And let us refresh. Just giving me this true. So this is for, is premium. This account is premium. If it's not premium, it's going to be false. So yeah, this one is for the profile picture. If I log this out, it's going to give me this SVG, which is my profile picture. So with this, we are getting both the profile and the is premium. So we can do something like this. Let me comment it out. We can do something like this, because is premium equals to this, and then DP equals to this. So we can choose to add this DP anywhere, or we can use, because if this is premium, if it's a premium user, we can add extra points to the person. If it's not a premium user, we'll just leave it. So just from this object, it's not like doing an extra stuff. So where I had an issue working on is this getting the date. I checked and I couldn't get the date, so I had to navigate and use, I'm going to explain it now. So let me just comment this out here. Let me just paste this here, and this user ID is going to be, because user ID is equals to user.id. I saw somewhere that you can do something like, if it's less than 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This thing should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let me check again. Instead of alerting this here, let me just alert our whole, so that you guys will see our, you can see this thing is my ID, and I think, let me add 6,000 here. Well, this just, you have to check it, but I was just getting a suggestion that it could be like from this way that they are doing it, they are getting it, but all this thing is just approximate. It's not the real. Even on dogs, they didn't use the real because of this. So let me just alert our creation date and see which part it falls on. Let me refresh. Did we make any mistake? Creation date, okay, should be here. Let me refresh, and you can see 2020 to 2021. So with this just simple method, you can add like if it's 2021, points should be plus 200, points should be plus 300, plus 500, plus. Well, with this simple method, you can replicate what dogs did, or you can just use a random guess for this.